you're experiencing low performance while playing Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open the game settings and lower the graphics quality. Reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Lowering these settings can help increase your frame rate and reduce lag. Step 3. Optimize game resolution. Change the game resolution to a lower setting. A lower resolution can lead to better performance, especially on older hardware. Experiment with different resolutions to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, and file-sharing applications can consume system resources and affect game performance. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets or exceeds the game's minimum requirements. If your hardware is outdated, consider upgrading components such as RAM, the graphics card, or the CPU to improve performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming performance. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.